Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today on the review we bring you a Dragon kit. Alright, this is the Kubelwagen radio car, UN 35 scale, and this is from 3945 series, and of course a smart kit. This brings around 117 parts, and this brings awesome things on this. So we got here, you can see right here the parts we need, and of course really nice, lots of photo etch parts, and this is a old kit around 2014-15, but on the 18 they put this with new parts and new molds, and so this is not a new one, but it's a really awesome kit to make. So let's see inside what you can expect. We got here 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. We got here 4 the clear parts, and 1 more, and 2 and 3. So it's lots of sprues for this. Alright, so let's put this aside. We got here, of course, the decals. Yeah, they are nice. So normally the Dragon kits, the decals are really nice. We got here the photo etch parts. The photo etch parts, normally they are nice. They are not too hard and not too soft. They are the right ones for working, and we got 2 of photo etch parts. We got here, of course, instructions, and let's start with instructions. As you can see here, all the grills, the sprues we are going to need. The kit, it's the 6886. So as you can see, so let's open this and see how. So we got here the first step. We start with the figure. It's included on the kit. So of course the chair, and you see the bottom of the Kubelwagen, and here some jerry cans. There we got here all the colors we are going to need, and of course the safety things and what you need. So the steps, as you can see, we start on the lower, putting the sides. Of course, I put here the back of the Kubelwagen. We can see here how it paints the dashboard, assemble off the wheels, and the radio. As you can see here, the radio is plastic, and the surrounding thing is all photo etch parts. Now with 11 we start here with the windshield, some headlights, some tools. We can put open or close the canvas. Yes, I think we got here or not. Yes, we got. It's a very simple motor if you want to leave the rear edge open. So it's only 12-13 steps to make this one. We got here 2 different paintings to do it. Let me see. Okay, it's a gray. Yeah, it's a gray one. So 2 different versions of this lovely Kubelwagen radio car. We have on the market from Tamiya. It's very it's not expensive. This one it's more expensive, but the level of the details are really awesome. So let's see the grills. Let's start with the big bag. And let's see. Oh, one part came out of the sprue. So we got here the little one where we got the motor. As you can see, the inside of the part where it's going to be the motor, and as you can see the parts have a really awesome detail. Now we got this one, the bottom. Okay, and it's really, look at this, it's really nice, the level of the details, really nice. You got here the wheels, the sprue for the wheels, and of course the figure. The figure is really nice. Let me try to remove this one. You can see the face there, the legs, the torso, and it's really nice. It's fantastic, the face here. Let me try to get, you can see, really nice. Yeah, I like it. So more parts. We got here the canvas. If you are going to make it close it, we got here for the open, the dashboard. It's really fantastic. Yeah, I like it. Alright, here more parts. And we got here the clear parts for the Kubelwagen. Now we got here one more grill. This brings the jerry cans. I think this is part of the antenna too. Yeah. And the last one, I think it's the parts of the radio. Yeah. The radio, it's very nice. And here more parts. As you can see, the details are really good, guys, really good. So as you can see, the Kubelwagen radio car, awesome kit, awesome details. Here the price I got here on my store in Portugal. So if you are Portuguese guys and you want this, you can grab this one of these in my store, or just simple I can send you on postcards, and of course for the rest of Europe. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for receive all my videos, from reviews, tutorials, anything, okay, I put on my channel. So thank you very much, I catch you later. Bye guys.